and it is multiplying and dividing by, so let's do this one. I'll just do two examples. Number one, if you have 5.7 times 10 to the 7th power times 1.6, no, let's go 2.6. 2.6 times 10 to the 5th power. Or what if you have, let's do a division one too, 1.2 times 10 to the 8th power over 9.6 times 10 to the, give me a number, how about negative 5? What do we do in this one here? Let's see what you remember. Lucas's manual, when I multiply, how do I multiply these numbers together? No! That's a good thought. I can see why you'd say that. Johnny? Okay, well, and that's like my last step is, you're gonna when you multiply the 10s together, you add exponents, so you are gonna get 10 to the 12th. But you don't forget, first thing you really gotta do is multiply those two numbers together. If you multiply 5.7 times 2.6, you get 42, 4, 34, 0, 14, 11. You get, did I do something wrong?
Where do you get 10?
I'm not done yet. Don't ask me till I'm done. 14.82, 7 plus 5 is 12, right? This, ladies and gentlemen, is close but not quite right because of what reason? Jeremy's work.
It's not a number in
So what do I have to do to fix it?
make the decimal in place.
You made this one smaller, 1.482, so you have to make this one bigger. So I don't know if Jackson, if that's where you were going or with that 13, but that's the answer to that.
The answer up there would be 13 with 4, so it would be 1.482 times 10 to the 14, because 7 plus 5 is 12.
Jack, I've made so many mistakes. I wasn't really doubting you. I thought maybe you thought this was a 6. I don't know, but that's I'm right there. All right, this one. How is this? How is this different? You do it the same way. You do have to divide this into this. You do have to divide the 9.6 into the 1.2. I don't know if it actually goes into it or not. I don't know why I picked that. What do I get? Move this decimal over one place, this decimal over one place, it goes right here. 9.6 goes into 120 once, which is 96. Who picked this problem? 11, 240. Does 96 go into 240? Twice. Don't give up on it yet. 18. This is 19. I get 8. 3. 480. How many times does 96 go into 480? Exactly 5 times, thank you very much.
Oh, it actually worked out.
It does. 0.125 times 10. Here's where you need to be careful, people. When you multiply, you add exponents. When you divide, you subtract exponents. But be careful here because I subtract this bottom exponent here. 8 minus a negative 5 is what I'm doing. Actually, it's the same thing as 8 plus 5. So you do get 13 there. Be careful, very, very careful with that. Changing that into scientific notation, Nick, you get? Right, I made this one place bigger, so I have to make this one place smaller. There's 10 to the 12th. Right.